I'll show you. First, we need a container and the activator and the clicker. Let's open now. Let's do it. Let's go. Let's go.
Together they're the perfect ride.
On the table. Then next, put the clicker.
Tiny feet and sneakers.
We're gonna put it in a container and then
Chasing dreams from day to night.
for this. You can
Quack,
hold it
it's
down.
music sweet with every step their joys complete.
Let's go make. Now we are going to activate by drop
Aria's adventure,
the pink
we're on
glue.
our way.
Then we need to put the
Laughing, learning every day. Quack, quacks, quacking.
Now this is scratchy slime. Yeah.
Friends together,
You can put
See that? I want to play.
things wrong.
Okay guys, now we're gonna put glitter.
There's two. Every day
Okay,
is a
I'll
world
try.
brand new. Quack, quack's feathers shiny blue with Aria. There's so much to do.
Okay, I can put sushi.
Storybooks and crayons, bright, painting stars in the sky at night.
Yay!
Quack,
This is
quack,
the
and
final product.
Aria play in a world where dreams won't fray.
You can come back again. So many.
Aria's adventure, we're on our way.
Bye guys.
Laughing,
Bye guys. See you soon. Hi guys, to subscribe my channel, you must search for my name, Aria. Bye bye.